Welcome to SRK MasterStack. Today we're diving into a hot topic in the tech world, containers versus virtual machines. Whether you're a DevOps enthusiast, a cloud developer, or just curious, this video will break it all down with animations and clear examples. Let's go. Section 1, Definition and Concept. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you've got one powerful server. With virtual machines, we install a hypervisor, which creates multiple virtual machines. Each VM has its own operating system, applications, and dependencies. On the other hand, containers don't need a separate OS for each app. They run on a container engine, like Docker, and share the host OS. This makes them much lighter and faster. VMs are like renting multiple fully furnished apartments, while containers are like having rooms in a shared house with minimal furniture. Both serve different purposes, and we'll see how. Section 2, Architecture. Now let's compare their architecture. In a virtual machine setup, you have hardware at the bottom, then a hypervisor layer that manages multiple virtual machines. Each VM has a full operating system, which takes up space and resources. In contrast, containers skip the guest OS. Instead, they rely on the host OS and run applications with their dependencies in isolated environments. This shared structure reduces overhead, but the apps must be compatible with the host OS. Think of VMs as full independent systems, while containers are lightweight packages focused on running apps efficiently. Section 3, Performance. When it comes to performance, containers outshine VMs in many areas. Boot time. Containers start in seconds, while VMs may take minutes. Resource usage. VMs are heavy because they carry their OS. Containers? Much lighter. Deployment speed. Spinning up a container is lightning fast. Portability and scalability. Containers are highly portable across environments and easy to scale, especially in Kubernetes or similar platforms. However, if you need full system isolation, VMs are still the better choice. Section 4, Use Cases. So, where do we use them? Virtual machines are great for running legacy applications that need older operating systems, testing multiple OS environments in parallel, handling heavy workloads that require strong isolation. Containers, on the other hand, shine in building microservices where each service runs in its own container, CI/CD pipelines, enabling developers to ship code faster, developing cloud-native apps designed to scale effortlessly. In short, choose the tool that fits your job. Section 5, Security. Let's talk about security. Virtual machines are isolated by the hypervisor. Each VM has its own OS, so even if one gets hacked, the others remain safe. This isolation comes with more overhead. Containers share the host OS kernel, making them lighter but also potentially less secure. If there's a kernel vulnerability, all containers could be at risk. But don't worry. By following best practices, like using namespaces and C groups, you can secure containers effectively. Security is about managing risks based on your use case. To sum it up, VMs are heavy but powerful, ideal for legacy apps and multi-OS environments. Containers are lightweight, fast, and perfect for modern app development. Each has its place in the tech ecosystem. Thanks for tuning in to SRK MasterStack. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Until next time, happy learning.